Alrighty, so after quite a bit of sanding, um, I would say about an hour, I got it to where I think it's really pretty smooth in here. Um, one little thing I had here is you can see just a little bit of where the you can see the dust is kind of gathered there, a little bit of pitting, a little bit. There's also a spot where maybe just a little bit in here and a little bit along in here. Not really big at all. Can't really even feel it with your hand when you go over it. And I think there was just a tiny bit in this area. So a tiny bit here, a little bit in here, a little bit up here. But it's really smooth. I don't feel any obvious inconsistencies right all through here. So there's a little bit of one here. There's a rise right here, but I'm not gonna. I think that's good enough. You can see where I sanded down to the metal here. It's just I think when this part and this part got like kind of crunched, it might have made this puff out a little bit. So I'm not gonna deal with that. But I think we're gonna be ready for painting tomorrow. I just wanted to show you kind of after I'd sanded all that what is the fourth layer off, and I was thinking I might just do a little tiny bit on this bit where it's pitting and sand that. I don't even know if it's worth it once I do like a couple coats of primer and stuff and sand that. It might. I'm thinking I'm just gonna try and do that. Do the couple coats of primer and sand that, and then put the top coats or whatever on. So, yeah, we'll do that. See if that fills out the imperfections, and if not, then you'll know when you do on your project. So, like I said, this is my first time ever. So, I mean, if I can do it, you definitely can do it. So, yeah, it's not looking too bad. Looking way better than it was for sure. And well, I didn't even get try and match Toyota paint on this. I could have tried, but like I said, I don't think it's super worth the effort. I got some gray Rust-Oleum primer and some light gray Rust-Oleum paint, so we'll see what happens. We'll see how it turns out. But thanks for joining me along this little journey here, and I definitely hope this helps, and I hope we'll figure this out along the way together. Okay. Anyway, see you tomorrow. Okay, bye.